All right, what's in the box? What's in the box? We got everybody excited. We got Nero here. Shadow's right here. He was already sniffing at the box because he's dying to know what's inside. Everybody wants to know inside. Honey, let's unveil. What do you got inside the box?
Oh
my God. Dang.
It's going to fit.
Oh.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh my God. So for those who don't know, the wife and I dropped a pretty penny on, what is it, 70 pounds of
beef
meat?
Brisket.
Oh,
Check
dang.
out that beef brisket. A little filet mignon. Oh, so tiny. Oliver. Oh, man.
Dang. Oh.
What is that? Oh, pot roast. Yes. Oh, man. Bone in, too. Oh, we're going to have some amazing roast.
All these kitties are so excited. They're like surrounding the meat.
Oh, minute
They
steak.
can smell it.
I love minute steak. Makes good fajitas, beef shank crosscut. What is that?
I don't know.
We're going to have to look up how to cook some of this stuff.
This is awesome, though.
But we got a lot of steaks. Look at this. Oh, maybe it's just a steak. Maybe it's like a type of a steak or something. I'm gonna have to look it up.
Oh, this is so exciting.
Ooh, skirt steak. Oh man, yeah, we're gonna have some good jerky. New York strips. More skirts.
Everyone gets those mystery boxes and stuff like that. Oh no, we got a meat box.
Oh man.
Oh dang. Oh dang. What is that?
Oh, it's a chuck roast.
Chuck roast,
Ooh,
nice.
that could make some good whatchamacallit? Jerky. That can make good jerky too. Oh no, what you're
But I hope you guys did enjoy that unboxing, though, even though it was short but sweet. It's got a lot of meat in this video, though. Take care, guys. See you next time.